to condition your raisins. Happy New Month! Pour your raisins in a heat-proof plate. See how dry they look, so we are going to puff them up. Pour hot water over them until they submerge. Place a lid over the plate. Let sit for no more than 30 minutes. Drain the water. There are lots of recipes that calls for a conditioned raisin. So you can head to my YouTube channel to browse through. Pour into a bowl and let sit for about 4 hours. There you go. Now you are ready to make a raisin bread. Or you can try making a Kugelhupf.